you ready to take the next step to win-win e-commerce? Join over 450 online businesses that have seen an average of 354% growth through partnering with the W2 Cloud Platform Suite. E-commerce is surging, but can your online platforms keep up? Do you have the tools you need to satisfy changing customer demands, and can you add them fast enough? Does expansion mean paying to add new features, integrations, and capabilities? It takes more than software to create powerful e-commerce solutions. It takes partnership. Partnership that builds on 15 years of Japanese innovation to deliver an all-in-one e-commerce platform that does things the way you want them done. All-in-one, but not one-size-fits-all. The flexibility to choose from over 800 tried and tested functions, plus access to dedicated engineering resources to create exactly what you need. 100% in-house development for secure, robust, and proven results. W2 offers a partnership that extends beyond the go-live, an e-commerce platform that is not an expense, but an investment in success. Not just your investment in sophisticated, personalized experiences that delight your customers, but our investment in your success, supporting you at every step of your customer's journey. Our commitment is to improve every interaction from when a customer reaches your online store to the moment their purchase is delivered. We'll bring everything we've learned from 15 years of enabling e-commerce to ensure your growth. It's not just customer support we provide, but customer success. 450 customers with an average of 354% growth know what that success looks like. Partner with W2 today. It's a win-win.